The Joy Ginger and Rue travel system stands out as a thoughtfully designed 4-in-1 setup that transitions smoothly from newborn pramette to everyday stroller and full travel system as your child grows. In pramette mode, the fully reclined cocoon-like space gives newborns a flat, supportive place to rest on longer outings, which is something many basic strollers do not offer. The included Rue infant car seat is impressively light for daily lifting in and out of the car, making it much easier on parents who are constantly carrying both baby and seat together. Using the supplied adapters, the car seat clicks securely onto the stroller frame so you can move a sleeping baby from car to pavement without disturbing them. Both the stroller and the infant seat have generous canopies with high-level sun protection, helping to shield sensitive skin during bright midday walks or summer trips. The anti-rebound base offers a reassuringly stable car installation with either lower anchors or a vehicle seatbelt, adding an extra layer of safety and confidence for new caregivers.